Hello.
You need to analyze. That's nice. Correct. That's absolutely right. Anything else? Something that's very important for you to do a reasoning? What is more important? Comprehension. Good. So what do you mean by comprehension? It's just understanding things, right? And the other thing that's very more important, which I was looking from you, is common sense, isn't it, children? When Monica ma'am asked you a question, what makes us different from animals? It's the ability to think, right? It's the basic common sense that we all have, isn't it? And you know, there is a saying, common sense is not so common. Yes, have you heard of this? Yes. Yeah, so we have to use certain common sense and some logical reasoning techniques to solve your questions, as well as to deal with some big things in life, isn't it? So we'll have a small demo of that in a while now. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Janni ma'am, for the wonderful introduction. Okay, so students, now we can have a presentation from Monica ma'am. Then I think we can go to the virtual tool. So students, I'm audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm audible. Okay. So let me request Monica ma'am to begin with the presentation, and then we can have a virtual tool. So Monica ma'am, you can start with the presentation. I think Monica ma'am can't hear me. Let me type in the chat box.
All right, children, now allow me to share my screen for a short PPT. Just a moment, and we are good to go. I believe my screen is visible to all, is it? Okay. So a very warm welcome to the demo and interaction program for classes 3 and 4, Reasoning Batch 4. Now, can you tell me which figure out of these is odd one out? Is it figure A, or is it figure B, or is it figure C, or is it figure D or E? You can type in the chat box with a valid reason. So Adit is saying A, Naisa is saying D, Ashas is saying D, Kavita is saying A, Atharv is saying A, but why? Jeff thinks it's A, Sureshri thinks it's D. Children, you need to support your answer with a reason, since this is all about reasoning. Right, Kevalya, Vishwaja, Satvik? So Jeff is saying they're not the same. Okay, so I'm revealing the answer. The answer is option D, because when you add the number of sides for each figure, see, for figure A, it is a triangle and a pentagon. So 3 plus 5 gives us 8. There are 2 squares in B, so 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 triangles in figure C, 3 plus 3 gives us 6. In figure D, 4 plus 3, a triangle and a square, gives us 7. In figure E, you have 2 pentagons, so 5 plus 5, 10. Now, when you add the sides, so sum for all options is even except for option D. That is why option D is the correct answer, which is the odd one out here. So I hope this is clear to you. Now, these reasoning classes are important and being brought to you by Olympiad Success, which is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. And School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses that really matter at this point of time in your life, which include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. Now here you can get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE and IB classes for grades 2 to 12. One-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. You can meet our international rank holders for the year 2022-23. They're on the screen. And for the year 2021-22, these are all brilliant kids like you. Now the classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with seasoned experience. You know, you've already met your mentor, Janani ma'am. So you get 2 sessions per week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Timing will be 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So the classes will be a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You get access to reading material and practice questions available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And you also get access to topic-wise mock test for reasoning. So the syllabus is available at this particular link and fees can be paid by clicking on this particular link. Don't worry, all the important and relevant links have been pasted in the chat box and will again be pasted for you to avail. Now it is going to be a 25 session course, which is going to cost you 5,576 rupees. The fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success Platform for logical reasoning. Now, how to access Olympiad Success Platform, that you will learn very shortly. So all that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, with camera, because we do not allow students without camera in the class. You need headphones for better audio clarity. Now, since preparation for Olympiad exams is slightly tougher than your regular school curriculum, so you need to spend some time extra every day to cope up with the curriculum. And of course, parental support is required at the back end to reiterate concepts and all. Now, in 2022-23, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now, the live classes for this particular batch begins from Thursday, 13th of July, 2023. I hope you've noted down all the relevant details. Now, I would request Rajan sir to take you through a virtual tour of the dashboard of Olympiad Success. All over to you, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful presentation. Let me share my screen. So students, I hope my screen is visible. So this is the website of Olympiad Success. I'm just showing you how you can access the content, okay? What you need to do, just click on my account for login. So once you enroll with us, we will create credentials for you. And with that particular credentials, you can log in. Let me show you. I'm logging with the credentials I have. Just click on sign in. So this is the student profile and all the content you will find here in the live classes. Let me show you. What you need to do, choose the subject, that is reasoning Olympiad in our case. Then you need to choose the topic. Okay. Let me choose figures. So for each and every topic, you will find reading material, practice question and answer key here. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the reading material we have for this particular topic figures. Just give us a second. Yeah. So this is a reading material. Okay. So for each and every chapter, you will find the reading material here. And then we have practice questions also. Let me show you practice questions also. So these are the set of questions that we have, okay, for this particular topic figures. So MCQ based questions and other kind of questions are also available. Other than that, students, you can also check schedule here, like in which session, which topic we are going to cover. Let me show you. Like in session 1, we will cover coding, decoding, and in session 2, we'll move with this topic. And then session 3 will be discussion. This is going to be test discussion. So after each and every topic, there will be a test discussion. Okay. And like Monica mentioned in her presentation, we'll also discuss previous year Olympiad questions. So at the end of the schedule, if you can see, there are super classes. So in the super classes, what we are going to do in super classes, we will discuss all previous year Olympiad questions. Okay, students. Now, other than that, you can also like access topic wise mock test here that you can access here in the worksheets. Just you need to choose the subject, that is logical reasoning in our case. You need to choose logical reasoning. So these are all topic wise mock tests. Okay. And you can find more. Just click on next. when you click on take exam, you can attempt it, and after submitting, you can check your performance here in the performance tab. Let me show you. Choose the chain. Okay, after that, just click on detailed result view to check the answers. So this is all about the dashboard, students. Now, if anyone have any doubt or query, you can ask us in the chat box. Ma'am, which days? Can anyone tell what are the days for the classes? You can type in the chat box. Days for the classes. Are they clickable? You're talking about what, Nisa? About the links? All? No. Yes, Tuesday and Thursday. Class days are Tuesday and Thursday. The question. No, the questions are not clickable. The questions are in the Word format. Okay, they are like in a document format. You can kind of a test paper, although you can download if you want. Okay. Tuesday, Thursday. Yes, correct. The days are Tuesday, Thursday. Do anyone have any question or query, students? Can we print? Definitely you can print. You can download and you can print. Any other doubt or query, students? Okay, in the meantime, can you tell me one more question? One more answer. What will the class timings? What will be the class timings? Come on, waiting for the answers. 6:30 to 7:45, 6:30 to 7:45. You need to mention AM or PM also. Will we get MCQs in the classes? Not in the classes. In the classes, we will like learn concepts and do some questions. Now it can be MCQ based or it can be subjective. Okay, but yeah, we do questions in the classes too. Other than that, you can access the practice questions in the dashboard, and there are topic-wise mock tests also. Yes, correct. The class timing is 6:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. Any doubt or query, students? Do anyone have any doubt or query? You can post in the chat box. Or else, shall we start with the session? No, it's not 6 to 7:45. It is 6:30 to 7:45. How many super classes? So in this course, there will be 4 super classes. Let me share the links again in the chat box. What you can do, you can copy the links. Okay, so there's a syllabus link at the top. You can check the syllabus. Okay, then there's our WhatsApp number at the top. In case if anyone have any query, like after the session also, you can ask there. Any doubt or query, students, or shall we start with the session? You can write in the chat box, yes, no. Yes, okay. Okay, then I think we can start with the session. So over to you, Jandi ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Yes. So, are we all ready for the session, children? How excited are you? Show me with the smiley. How excited are you? Don't frown your face. Yeah, all of you have a great smile, big smile on your face. So I think everyone is excited. So are you sure that? Yeah. Okay, Keshav, let me tell you all those things. Okay, fine. So I will give you a quick recap of all the things at the end of the session. So kindly wait, Keshav. Okay. Yes. So as I have told you, this is going to be a small demo session of our logical reasoning classes, a pattern of how we generally have our classes. Okay. Well, so can we all start the session with a small riddle, children? Do you all like riddles? Yes. Yes. Do you all like riddles? Yeah. So can we start with a small riddle, children? Yes, that's a huge yes, I know. Well, so on a table, okay, so imagine this to be a table now. Okay. So on a table, there are 70 cups. Okay. So on a table, there are 70 cups. 5 of them fell. Okay. On a table, there are 70 cups and 5 of them fell. So how many are remaining? On a table, there are 70 cups and 5 of them fell. So how many is remaining? Okay, 65. The question didn't end. The question tells you the answer is not 65. Remember, I told it as a riddle. Means you have to read in between the lines. 70. I told 5 cups fell. Yes. Okay, Kaivalya Mishra, very good. Okay, that's a correct answer. Okay, I'll repeat the answer. I'll repeat the question. Yeah, I'll repeat it. On a table, there are 70 cups and 5 of them fell. Okay, so what is the remaining number of cups? That's the question. On a table, there are 70 cups and 5 of them fell. What is the remaining number of cups? Well, only one person gave it correctly. The correct Darshil is correct too. The correct answer is 2 children. Can someone guess how? The correct answer is 2. Can someone guess how? I told you 70 cups, right? It was not 70 cups, children. It was 70 cups. Okay, 5 of them fell and the remaining is only 2. Got it, all of you? Very good. 2 of you gave it so right. Amazing. They broke. They broke. So, yeah. So, did you all like this riddle? Yeah. So, we'll have another riddle at the end of the class. But before that, let's have a demo session. Let's start it. Okay. So, today I'm going to start with a topic, which is a very first topic of our class as well. And that lays a very foundation of your logical reasoning as such. So any guesses on what topic is that? Any guesses on what topic we are going to do now? Yeah. Any guesses? Figures? No, not figures, not number patterns. No. Yeah, good, Surya, very good. So, no, I can't have the entire class for riddles. Riddles is not a topic. Riddles is just a part of every class. Okay, not geometry. Very good, Afan. Very good, Adit. The topic we are going to deal is coding and decoding. Okay, so you know where you use this topic, where we are going to implement this topic. Any ideas? Huh? Where will we implement this topic? Computers, that's nice. Superb. Yeah, spying. Very good. Imagine you are going to share a secret with your friend or with your sibling. Okay, without letting anybody else know, then I'm sure this topic will help you. You can code your own message using any of the logics that we discussed now, and you can write a secret message, right? Yeah, so that's actually useful right now. It's not used in higher level, it's used right now itself, right? Okay. Yes, so you can always, any doubts in the classes or any doubts in today's thing, you can always put it in the chat and I'll be happy to sort it out for you. Okay, because today's class you were not given the thing of unmuting yourself, but however, I will answer all your questions that you put it in the chat. Okay, yes. We can hide Easter eggs in the desktop. Okay, that's nice. Super. Okay, so the topic, as I told you, is coding and decoding. So I'm going to give you a basic level of question, and from that we are going to grow higher, and we are going to reach the most difficult part of coding, decoding. Okay, so are you ready, children? Yes. Yes. Okay. Now let me take one of your names. Can I take Adit's name? Okay, so let's say instead of telling Adit, I'm telling the name, I'm coding the name as 114920. Okay, instead of coding the word Adit, I am using the technique to write 114920. Okay, so using this, can you tell me why I wrote like this? Can you tell the logic of me writing the name Adit like this? One 14920. Yes, that is the question I have given you. What is the reason for me to write Adit's name as 114920? Any guesses? It's the alphabet numbers. Wow, what are good. I found very good. So it is what we call as the place value of numbers. Place value of alphabets. Tell me how many alphabet you have, children? How many alphabets in English language you have? 26, 26, 26, 26, 26. What if I tell you your answers are wrong? What if I tell you the answers are wrong? How many letters you have in English? How many letters you have in English? 26. Come on, letters 26, alphabets also 26. Yes? Are you sure with this? Okay, you know, it is more like alphabet is a collective noun of letters. Okay, alphabet, whenever you are asked how many alphabets you have, you got to tell you have only one alphabet. Okay, because alphabet is nothing but a combination of all the 26 letters. Okay, so the logic we are going to use now is the place value of letters. Okay, so let's find it out. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, I have written all the 26 letters for you here. Okay, now listen. A is 1. So A is coded as 1. A is coded as 1. Okay, B is 2. C is 3. And D is 4. So D is coded as 4. Okay, E is 5. F is 6. G is 7. H 8. I is 9. So I is coded as 9, J 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and T is 20. So T is coded as 20. So the name Adit is written as 114920. Understood how I am writing like this? All of you understood? Okay. Now can you all write Surya like that? Can you all code Surya's name in this language, children? Can you all do that for me? Let me see who's giving me the first answer. How would you code this? No answers yet. Jeff is giving me, Athar is giving me. Very good. That's right. Very good. Very good. Very good, Ashaz. Good, Naiza. Good, Dashil. Good, Adit. Good, Kaivalya. Very good. Good, Keshav. Very, very good. So S is 19, U is 21, R is 18, Y is 25, and A is 1. So the code will be 192118251. So the code for Surya is written as 192118255. Aryan, you missed a 1. So the answer is 192118251. Did you all understand this, children? Any doubts? All of you clear with this? Well, okay. See, I found that you took a little extra time. See, logical reasoning is all about time management, isn't it, children? You have to keep your time. You have to make sure that you answer all the questions in a given stipulated amount of time. You can't exceed the time, right? So, I am going to teach you certain techniques, okay, to remember all the place values, at least most of the place values, without even counting. Okay, without even counting, you will be able to remember all the place value of the letters in the English alphabet. Are you ready to learn? Yes or no? Is it an S or a no? It's an S. Very good. Superb. Very good. Okay. Now we all know. Yes. Okay. How many of you have a friend called Jyoti? Does anyone have a friend called Jyoti? Nobody. Okay, now let's invent a friend called Jyoti. Now, from now on, in all your logical reasoning classes, you're going to have a friend called Jyoti with an initial E. Okay, she has an initial E. And all the letters in the word E Jyoti takes the multiples of 5. E is 5th letter, J is the 10th letter, O is the 15th letter, T is the 20th letter, and Y is the 25th letter. Right? So have you all made Jyoti your friend now? Yes? Yes? So what is the place value of J? What is the place value of J? 10. What is the place value of E? E? 5. What is the place value of Y? Y? 25, right? So the letters J-O-T-Y, the name Jyoti with an initial E takes the place value of 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25, right? So the problem of remembering the first 5 letters are gone, isn't it, children? Now, when I ask you E, you will tell me. J, you will tell me. O, you will tell me. T, you will tell me. Y, also, you will tell me. Isn't it? And tell me, do you need a trick to remember the place value of A, B, C, D? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 letters, do you need a trick to remember? No, right? You generally know, right? A is the first letter, B is the second letter, C is the third letter, and D is the fourth letter. So you obviously will remember the 4 place values of the letters A, B, C, and D. Okay, now see, you will be able to remember, and also Z. You will be able to remember 10 letters now. A, B, C, D, E, J, O, T, Y, and Z. Okay. Okay, children. What is the age for you all to vote, participate in an election? Right to vote. When do you get it? At the age of 18. Very good. Not 30, yeah, it's 18. Yeah. So you get the right to vote at the age of 18, isn't it? So R takes the value 18. Okay. R takes the value 18 because R stands for rights, and you get the right to vote at the age of 18. Understood? Yes? Okay. Now, what is something very, very special about November, the month November? What is exclusively dedicated for some intelligent kids like you? Cold. Okay. Something dedicated for children. Snowfall, winters. Okay. In India, snowfall is very less, very rare. You can't, tell that. So November, birthday. Who's, yeah, Children's Day. Very good. November is known for Children's Day. And when is Children's Day celebrated? When is Children's Day celebrated, children? You tell me. You tell me. 14 or 15? 14 or 15? All of you sure it's 14 only? No second thought about it? All of you sure it's 14 only? Very good. So what does N stand for, children? N stands for November 14. So N is 14. Understood? So what is the place value of N? What is the place value of N? 14. Very good. What is the place value of Z? What is the, type it in the chat to me, please. What is the place value of Z? Yeah, 26. What is the place value of R, children? What is the place value of R? 18. Very good. What is the place value of O? O. Oh, that's nice. Good. 15. Very good. Okay. Now, we'll learn the next letters. Are you ready for the next letters? Okay. Okay. Now we are going to learn the structure of every letter. See, this is what letter? I'll do lip reading. You tell me what letter is that. I'll be doing lip reading. What letter is that? G, isn't it? What letter is that? G, isn't it? Now, what is this part of G? What is this part of G? What is this part of G? The one in black color. How does that black color part of G resembling? Yeah, it's resembling 7, isn't it? So G is the 7th letter. Okay, G itself has the logic. So G is the 7th letter. Understood? Any doubts now? No. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, what is this letter? What is this letter? H. Okay. Now, if I draw two lines up and bottom, how does this appear to you? How does this appear to you? Yeah, good. Doesn't it appear like an 8? Doesn't it appear like an 8? So H is the place value of 8. Understood? Clear until now? Okay, how many of you have heard of this IPL team which existed long ago? And that team, what do you call this as? What team is this? What team is this? How many of you know this team? Kings Dash Punjab. How many players will be there? 11, correct. So this is called as Kings 11 Punjab. There was this team. I thought, no problem. So you can remember from this team that K stands for 11. Okay. So K is the 11th letter. Okay. And can you think of a number that ends with, that rhymes with L? What number rhymes with L? 1, does it rhyme with L? 2, does it rhyme with L? 3, does it rhyme? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Does it rhyme with L? Does 12 rhyme with L? Yes. So when you think of L, what is the number of L? What is the number of L? It means 12. Okay. So L rhymes as 12, right? So the place value of L is 12. And F is, F is between E and G, right? E is 5. So the next letter will be 6. Okay. So for F, it is 6. Okay. So how will you show the victory symbol? How will you show the victory symbol? Like this? Like this? How many fingers you use? 2. So 2 2s, right? That's V. V is 2 2s. Okay? So V is 22. You got it? Okay, now let's stop these place values here. Okay, and I'm going to ask you all some questions and you are going to answer me for all the place values that we have discussed so far. Are you ready, all of you? Show me a thumbs up if you're ready. Are you all ready? Ready, 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 ready. Super. What is the place value of E? The place value of E. Very good. What is the, no, not 15, it's 5. Good. What is the place value of V? V. 22, that's right. Good. What is the place value of T? Very good. That's amazing. That's amazing. 20. What is the place value of N? N for Children's Day. So what is, no, not 12. Not 12. Yeah. N Children's Day. November 14 is Children's Day. So N stands for 14. So what will be the letter for number 12? What will be the letter for number 12? What will be the letter for number 12? Yeah, it's L, because they are rhyming to each other. So L is 12. Understood, all of you? So far clear? Yes? Okay. Now, based on this, you're going to give me the place value of the words I'm giving you. Are you ready? Okay. Using this logic, you are going to find the word for bet. What is the code for bet? What is the code for bet? Very good. It's 2520. Good. 2520. Good, good, good. Amazing. Okay. For gang, G-A-N-G, gang. I told you G. Very good. Superb. So G stands for, I told you this. We take this part and that is 7. A is 1. Number 14 and 7 again. So 7, 1, 1, 4, 7. Now children, tell me, do you need to write and count all the letters now? Would you sit, write all the letters and keep counting to find out the place value? Will you be doing that anymore? No, because it's time consuming, isn't it? As I told you, there are a lot of other techniques also which we learn in the class. Okay, now we'll go for other things, right? So yeah, these classes will help you to make you do the questions at a faster pace and also make your answer to be accurate and to the points. Okay, well, okay, so now can we go for another trick, another logic of coding decoding? Let's forget place values for now. Can we learn another trick of coding decoding? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Let's take the word cube and I'm writing cube. Instead of telling cube, I'm telling DVCF. Okay. Instead of coding cube, I'm writing the word cube as DVCF. Okay. What is the logic for me to write cube as DVCF? What do you think? Why do you think I have written cube as DVCF, children? Yeah, it is the next letter. The next letter to C is D. The next letter to U is V. The next letter to B is C. The next letter to E is F. Right? Similarly, using that logic, can you give me the code for cone, children? Can you give me the code for cone? Okay, the first letter is right, Athar. Give it as a full word. Don't give me letter by letter by letter. I will confuse. Adit, check the third letter. Is it M or the next one? Good, Arfan. No, Athar, you're giving me the next letters of all these. Good, Jeff. Good, Naiza. Good, Kavyala. Good. Very good. So the next letter to C is D. Next letter to O is P. Next letter to N is O. And the next letter to E is F. So the code for cone is DPOF. Understood? All of you understood? Yes. Okay. 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 I'm coding the word black as, use this logic. Please understand this logic. Okay. I'm not going to reveal the answer for this. You're only going to do it for me. Okay. The word black, I'm writing it as AKZBJ. How will you write the word panther? Okay. Black, I gave you. How will you write panther? What is the logic for me to write B to A, L to K, A to Z, C to B, K to J? And how will you write panther? Yeah, good Keshav. Use that logic. Yes, Jeff. Very good. Yeah, you are writing the previous letter. Very good. Write the previous letter. Yes. What is the previous letter to P? Oh, the before letter to A. Don't tell me A is the first letter. Before A, you have to write the previous letter, meaning the last letter. So before A, it is Z. Okay. So before N, it is M. Before P, yes. Before H, it's G, D, and this is Q. So the logic is O, Z, M, S, G, D, Q. Did you all get this correct? Yes. Yes. Clear all of you? Okay. Okay. Can I have another riddle time? Can I have another riddle time now? Yes. Okay. Finally, yeah, we're having that. Okay. Okay. I'm giving you the number 25. Okay. You have to make this 25 into 100. Okay. By using any one letter. By using any one letter, you have to make 25 to 100. How will you make that? Let me see who's giving this. No, you have to use a letter, not a number. What letter will make 2500 children? You can use it anywhere. You can use it before T, you can use it after Y, after E, anywhere you can use. But I want you to use one letter. That is allowed. But you have to make 25 to 100. How will you make that? No, not H, not A, not H. Don't tell me all A to Z. Huh? Not N, not W, not F, not B, not, come on. You are making me learn ABCD. Huh? All of you are giving me all the letters. No, 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 no. U, F, Z, S, K. All your first letters you are giving me. M, N, B, G, G, F, D, D, D. No. I, J, H. No. G, K. No. L. No. O no, U no, N no. Okay, tell me where you will use the letter. Where will you use the letter? Where will you use the letter? Okay, first. No, not first. None of your answers are right. No, no, not first, not last two. Good, Afan, tell me where you will use that. Afan, tell me where will you use that? That was a pure guess only, right? Yeah. No, Roman numerals for 100 is C. That's something very amazing. But you can't make 25 to 100. See, you are going to use the letter X here. So this becomes 20 times 5. What is 20 times 5? You got it? Did you all get it? I'm using the letter X between 20 and 5. Okay. So it looks like 20 times 5. So what is 20 times 5? 100. Yes. Did you understand how it works? Yeah. So you can try this with your friends tomorrow in the school. Will you try that? And have fun with your friends? Huh? Yes. Okay, children. So tell me, how was the class? Yeah, you will do that. I know. Yes. Good. Okay. Okay, children, let me give you a quick recap. Okay. So yeah, all the links have been pasted to you, the FB links and all of those where you can see it live. Everything is pasted. You can use them. Okay, we will be having classes on Tuesday and Thursday at 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. We are going to do a logical reasoning session with 25 sessions, right? So weekly, how many classes are we having? Weekly, how many classes are we having? 2. We are having 2 classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Okay, and you will have your regular homework also. I'll be giving you few workout questions which you can actually avail from the worksheets. Okay, as Rajan sir explained you how to access the dashboard, all of those I will still be explaining again to you in the first class. So if you had missed of how to access the dashboard and all, don't worry, you can again get it done in the very first class. Okay, otherwise it's what the important dates and times I have told you. Is that clear, children, all of you? Okay, fine. So I'm looking forward to see you all in my regular classes. So see you there. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Bye-bye. Bye.